Yes, that's right. Now let me introduce the Nano system. First, I'll give you an overview of the Nano stage system. Looking at the whole system, this is the stage of the Nano system. This is the first one. The most important aspects of the Nano system are, well, reception, temperature control, flatness and straightness of the stage surface. How much can these be maintained? Yes, it all depends on how well these can be controlled. The first point is the vibration isolation unit, which, as you can see below, uses air balance for vibration isolation. Next, over here, the granite slab is used to manage temperature changes and maintain the flatness of the stage surface. Then at the top, there is the air bearing. This air bearing enables the Nano stage to move in parallel and ensures straight line motion. As for driving the stage, we use a linear actuator to aim for absolute positioning accuracy at the nanometer level, control speed and keep ripple within 0.1%. So when the entire system achieves this nanometer level precision, its applications include AOI and similar uses. It is very often used locally for such purposes. Also, this entire system is just one example, and it is possible to customize it according to specific requirements. At TOYO, we also sell each of these actuators individually, so I will continue by explaining those. Thank you.